Gemini 3 has completely changed the game on how we build websites. Look at this. This isn't Lovable or Bolt or actually from a developer. We've been able to do this ourselves within a matter of minutes. What we want to do is give our Gemini 3 model as much information as possible, including the role, i.e. it's an award-winning UI UX designer, what we're building, who it's for, what action the user should be able to take, also ignoring specific typography that's often overused, primary colors, background and depth, animations, different sections we want involved, the framework, and more important at the end, also the design rules for what to do, but also what not to do. The example that we're going to be running through today is a landing page for a voice agency platform that's specific for trade services. As we can see here, we've got the color palette, we've got depth and background, we've got some of the animations, we've got navigation, all of these different sections, all of the different text we wanted to use. We've added lots and lots of details in here, which follows the exact structure that we were talking about a bit earlier on. We're then going to send this off, and now, as you can see on the left, we've got that entire prompt for us to check out. So there we go, just over 1.5 minutes later, we've now got our first version ready to go. So let's come across to preview. We'll go full screen, and as we can see here, this instantly looks much better than what we would have from those vibe coding platforms like Lovable or Bolt in the past. But how do we enhance this? Well, if we come back across, what we can also do is add in something called artifacts. Now, because Gemini is multimodal, what it means is it's able to include both text and images. So we've got two different ways that we can do this. We'd then be able to put this in the middle. Again, we've annotated it. We'll be able to screenshot this, come back across to our AI studio. We'll just close this down from full screen. We'll upload that screenshot that we just took as a reference image, and we'll say please make the updates to the UI and design based on these examples. We'll be able to send this off, and now it should start going through and updating the design that we've got to improve the outputs. And this is where it gets absolutely amazing. Say, for example, you absolutely love the design of Superhuman. What you're able to do is right click on their website, do view page source. This is then going to open up all of the different commands and code that they've used to generate their specific website. Control A or Command A, copy all of this. We'll then be able to paste it in there. It's going to save all of it in, or as you stored it, for example, in a Google Doc, you could download it and upload it into here as an attachment for the reference files.